Security is a top priority in any cloud environment, and Microsoft Azure offers a suite of integrated tools to help you protect your resources. Let's take a quick tour of 3 powerful Azure services that work together to keep your cloud safe, and that's Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Azure Security Center, and Microsoft Sentinel. First up, let's look at Microsoft Defender for Cloud. This is your unified security management system that provides advanced threat detection for hybrid cloud workloads across Azure, on-premises, and even other cloud environments like AWS and GCP. It helps you strengthen your security posture, identify and fix vulnerabilities, and detect real-time threats. Now we'll talk about Azure Security Center, which is now part of Defender. You might have heard of Azure Security Center, which is, like I said, now part of the Defender for Cloud. It provides recommendations to harden your environment, monitors for misconfigurations, and helps ensure you meet compliance standards. Think of it as your cloud security advisor, as you will, always analyzing and recommending improvements. Next, let's meet Microsoft Sentinel. It's Azure's cloud-native SIEM and SOAR solution. What does that mean? SIEM is the Security Information and Event Management. It collects and analyzes data from across your environment to detect threats, and SOAR is Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response. It lets you automate investigations and response workflows. Sentinel uses AI to help spot unusual behavior, correlate signals, and respond faster, giving you a powerful edge against modern threats. When do you use what? So you use Defender Cloud to monitor workloads, improve configurations, and detect threats. You use Security Center, which is inside Defender, for posture management and compliance. And finally, you use Sentinel when you need full-scale threat detection and response across your entire organization. Quick recap. Defender for Cloud is your security management and threat detection. Security Center is posture and compliance, like I said, now part of Defender. And Sentinel is SIEM and SOAR for scalable, automated threat detection and response. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the Azure policy blueprints and resource locks. I'll see you in the next one.